Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pooja Singh, a BMS doctor currently working in Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, we'll talk about benefits of sprouting or benefits of sprouts, having sprouts. So, benefits. There is an amazing increase in nutrients in sprouted foods when compared to their dried embryo. In the process of sprouting, the vitamins, minerals, and protein increase substantially, with corresponding decrease in calories and carbohydrate content. These comparisons are based on an equivalent water content in the foods measured. Analysis of dried seeds, grains, and legumes shows a very low water content, but this increases up to tenfold when the same food is converted into sprouts. For accurate comparison, each must be brought to a common denomination of equal water content to assess the exact change brought in nutritional value. Sprouted mung beans, for instance, have an 8.3 increase of water content over dried beans. Hence, the nutritional value of sprouted and dried mung beans can be compared by multiplying the analyzed nutrients of sprouted mung beans by the factor of 8.3. Based on the criterion, the changes found in sprouted mung beans when compared with the figures for the beans in the other dried states are as follows. So, the percentage of increase or decrease in nutrients while sprouting are as follows. Energy content, that is calories, decreased by 15%. Total carbohydrate content decreased by 15%. Protein availability increased by 30%. Calcium content increased by 34%. Potassium content increased by 80%. Sodium content increased by 690%. Iron content increased by 40%. Phosphorus content increased by 56%. Vitamin A content increased by 285%. Thiamine or vitamin B1 content increased by 208%. Riboflavin or vitamin B2 content increased by 515%. Niacin or vitamin B3 content increased by 256%. Ascorbic acid or vitamin C content an infinite increase, means it increased a lot. The increase in protein availability is of great significance. It is a valuable indicator of the enhanced nutritional value of a food when sprouted. The simultaneous reduction in carbohydrate content indicates that many carbohydrate molecules are broken down during sprouting to allow an absorption of atomic nitrogen and reforming into amino acids. The resultant protein is most easily digestible of all protein available in foods. The remarkable increase in sodium content supports the view that sprouted foods suffer nutritional qualities. Sodium is essential to the digestive process within the gastrointestinal tract and also to the elimination of carbon dioxide. Together with the remarkable increase in vitamins, sodium materially contributes to the easy digestibility of sprouts. Dried seeds, grains, and legumes do not contain discamble traces of ascorbic acid. And yet, when sprouted, they reveal quite significant qualities which are important to in the body's ability to metabolize proteins. The infinite increase in ascorbic acid derives from their absorption of atmospheric elements during growth. Sprouts have several other benefits. They support foods in pre-digested form, that is, the food which has already been acted upon by the enzymes and made to digest easily. During sprouting, much of the starch is broken down into simpler sugars such as glucose and sucrose by the action of the enzyme amylase. Proteins are converted into amino acids and amides. Fats and oils are converted into more simpler fatty acids by the action of enzyme lipase. During sprouting, the beans lose their objectionable gas producing qualities. Researchers have shown that oligosaccharides are responsible for gas formation. For maintenance of health, some amount of gas production is necessary, but it should be within safe limits. As the process of germination ends and sprouting begins, the percentage of oligosaccharides is reduced by 90. The sprouts contain a lot of fibers and water and therefore are helpful in overcoming constipation. Sprouts are an extremely inexpensive method of obtaining a concentrated concentration of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. They have in them all of the constituent nutrients of food, fruits, and vegetables, and are live foods. Eating sprouts is the safest and best way of getting the advantage of both fruits and vegetables without contamination and harmful insecticides. It should, however, be ensured that seeds and dried beans are purchased from a store where they are pressed, unspread, and packaged at foods. Seeds that are packaged for planting purposes may contain mercury compounds or other toxic chemicals. So that's all for sprouts and benefits. Thank you.